here's my OpenClaw setup. It doesn't cost me anything because it's running on an open source large language model that on my own PC. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up that. This will allow you to run OpenClaw anonymously as long as you want without an additional billing, because you are not going to be using tokens from things like Cloud Code or ChatGPT, since you are going to running your own model. So let's begin. At the beginning, we need to install Ollama. So that's why we will go to a browser, and here we'll simply search Ollama. Here, this is the first website, ollama.com. You will go inside this website, and right now you can see it's actually the large language model. You can use it, it's open source. From here, you need to download Ollama. So simply click this download button and just install it. Otherwise, you can use this command to download and install it from CLI or command line. Okay, so let me copy this. We'll open a terminal and simply paste this command here. After then, if you press enter, it will just automatically download Ollama and install it on your PC. It will take few seconds because it's very lightweight, only less than 100 MB. We'll have to wait until it's completed. And see, it's actually already installed and you can run Ollama now. Okay, so here, what you will have to do after installing this, next you need to open it. So here, if you just visit your app section, you will just get the Ollama. You can open it here, and right now you will have this type of interface. And here, if you just check, you will have all the models. You can have all of these models. You can just install any of it by clicking this install button. If you need extra model, if you need extra latest model, here you will close it. Now let me close it, and here under on this website you can see models, and here you can choose all of this popular model, and you can filter it if you need latest model. Look, this is all of our the latest model. You can use it, it's open source. And right now, if you need based on actually cloud version model, tools thinking model, you can just filter based on your need. Okay, so right now we are going to use QWEN 3.5 model. So it's most popular model. You can use it on Cloud Code, Codex, OpenCode, and OpenClaw. Okay, so the installation is very simple. You will have to just Ollama launch Cloud Code, then dash model, then your model version. Okay, so here you will have several model based on your hardware. You will choose all of these specific model. As if you are using a standard PC or computer, you can go with this latest model, or if you have heavy machine, you can go with this. The mass the model sizes, you will have the more efficiency. Okay, so right now, as I'm going to a standard setup, so that's why here I will click here. Then it will redirect to this page. Here you will have a CLI command. You will simply command this Ollama run, then your model. Okay, so if you simply copy it and back to the terminal, here we will paste it. So what will happen when we just press enter? It will actually install the QN 3.59 billion model on your PC. So let me press enter. It's actually pulling manifest, and the installation is started, almost 6.6 GB. So we'll have to wait until it's completed. And at the same time, let me show you some benchmark. Here you can see all of these benchmarks. Sometimes it's much better than others model. You will have this. You can just compare it based on your need. For example, if you check Claude 4.5 OPUS, then you can compare with Gemini 3 Pro and others model. Here is the comparison. You can just check it if you have time. Okay, so now let me check if it's actually downloaded. Only 3%. It will take time. We'll have to wait. It's successfully installed, and right now after installing it, if you go to Ollama, and right now here, if you just check, you can just check it's actually installed successfully. Okay, so you can just choose from here, and you can just ask anything. Hi, let me just, who are you? Okay, something like this. I just prompt this, and now it will generate based on this answer. Okay, look, it's actually thinking at the beginning, then it will just reply your answer. Okay, I think you got it. It's perfectly generating the answer for you. And after then, what actually next? The next thing is that as we're going to use OpenClaw, we will have to take a new tab and simply search OpenClaw. Okay, then go to this website, This is the official website. Go here, and after then if you scroll a little bit to just quick start, you need to install OpenClaw. So that's why if you are using Mac, then this is the online installer. You can just choose your Windows version or Mac OS, it's up to you. Okay, I just simply copy it, then open the terminal again, simply paste the command here again. Okay, then press enter and see it's actually OpenClaw installer, and here it's by default selected your OS, then it's actually method, and here and see homebrew not found, installing homebrew failed. So we need to install homebrew as I'm using Mac OS. So for doing this, let me install homebrew and go to here, copy this prompt, and now let me take another tab, and here is this command. Okay, now press enter. It's actually installing homebrew. You can see it's required, so we're just going to install it. Okay, so it's asked for this. Okay, let me copy it and then also command it. So I think it's perfectly done, and after then we will retry it again. Simply copy this command again and then back to here. Let me clear this terminal and then paste the command again, and after then press enter. Look, it's actually homebrew found, then it's Node.js is not found, so Node.js will install. It's OpenClaw actually required the latest version of Node.js. I don't have Node.js installed previously, so that's why it's actually start installing Node.js. So you can see successfully installed right now. After then it's actually start installing OpenClaw. So version 2026 4.2. okay, this is the personal default and shared multi-user required lockdown. Okay, so we will simply choose yes. You can just use your arrow key, then when it's yes, then you will press enter, and after then here is the setup mode. So would you like to go with quick start? Yes, I would like to use quick start here. Then let me press enter. Then you can see if you need to use model or auth provider, you can choose Anthropic, Cloud Code, then you can choose Copilot, DeepSeek or others LMS model, and see lots of things are there listed. You can choose any of these, but as we're going to open source, then we will choose Ollama here. You can see Ollama is listed. You can use Ollama cloud or local open models, then press enter. Then here by default it will take a base URL, press enter. Then would you like to use Ollama cloud and local mode? And for this tutorial purpose I will go with local. Then let me press enter, and here we need to choose default model. Here you will have some model listed, and this is the model we installed previously. You can understand that we just installed this model and this model is listed here. The installed model will show here. You can choose a specific model, so let me go with, or you can just go with current default model. Okay, so I will choose the third one. Then let me press enter, and after then we will have to choose a select channel. So if you work with Telegram bot, then you can just choose the first one, and for now actually I don't choose any of these. I will simply just skip it. Okay, skip for now. Let me press enter, and after then search provider, if you work with Brave search, then go with it. Here all of these browser are listed. You can simply go to skip for now, then press enter. Okay, would you like to use configure custom skill? So it's actually recommended, but for this tutorial purpose I don't choose this specific one. I will just show you in another video if needed for you. And here simply choose no, press enter, and right now enable hooks. Obviously for now actually you can just skip, then press enter, and here you can see you will have to choose either hitch with TUI. If you want to work with web UI, then you can choose the second one. I will choose the second one here. Then let me press enter, and here you will see this type of interface. You can just ask anything here. For example, let me choose these questions, and here it will just reply for you using this Ollama model. You can see this is the Ollama model. Based on this model you can just use this. Okay, lastly, if you want to use Cloud Code locally, you can see this is actually the UI version of web. If you want to use it on locally, you will go to this section again. You will go to this specific page, and there let me choose here. So let me go to model sections, and then where is your model? So this is your model. Go there. Then you can see, to use it locally, you will have to copy this command. You will have to copy ollama launch OpenClaw dash dash model, then qn 3.5, copy this model and open the terminal. And here you can simply start a new terminal. Let me take a new terminal. You will paste it, and you must need to change the model version. As we are using we are installed this model, you can see we have installed this model, so we will, instead of this, we will paste our model version, something like this. And after, then you will have to press enter. Look, this is very simple. ollama launch, then OpenClaw dash dash model, then your model version. Okay, let me press enter, and right now you can see it will ask you to proceed. Yes, proceed. Then launching OpenClaw with qn 3.5 9b, and you can see starting your agent, and OpenUI is here is your UI. If you need to ask any questions here, you can do it. For example, let me, hi, who are you? Okay, very simple questions. Let me press enter, and see it's actually connected, and it will take few seconds to complete the process and give you the reply. And here's the token will be there. Okay, lastly, if you need to set up MCP like Jaiper to connect it on your OpenClaw, then just leave a comment. I will make another video for you.